Take a look at this gadget. And what is it? It's a car Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter receiver. Remember that. It's transmitter, receiver, USB wireless adapter, audio with LED display, hands-free calling, music for car radio. And from Aliexpress you can get it for $2. And in different countries the price is different and will be from $2 to $5. And I got it. Bubbles. Bubbles. I love that sound. Oh. Here it is. Model T65 wireless receiver. Bluetooth wireless receiver. And also there is another great function in this adapter. You can see that is USB with FM transmitter, LED numbers. Come on. That's what it says. Built-in microphone, support TF card reader. That is the great function. Support TF card reader. USB power supply. Also aux out it have with 3.5mm FM transmitter range from 87 to 108 MHz, wireless hands-free. And yes, we have a short 3.5mm from both sides male connector, so you can plug to your phone and the adapter. And take a look how small it is. Yes. What it says, Bluetooth receiver. Thank you very much for buying this product. You are advised to read this user manual carefully before using this product to ensure correct use. Okay, we have FM frequency display right here, aux port, the microphone, TF card slot, that is good. We have previous song, volume down and FM, answer, hang up, play, pause, next song, volume plus and volume FM plus. This is a great product, believe me, and this thing solves a lot of problems with music in cars. You don't need to connect this with your Bluetooth so you can play music in your car. You can just add a micro SD card right here. You can choose the tracks with these buttons, and this guy is transmitting the audio through the FM frequency to your radio. Also can be connected with the smartphone through the Bluetooth. Let's try it. And this Bluetooth adapter, I'm gonna try it on this monster. It's an old retro boombox brand La Sonic L30K. And how to use this Bluetooth audio receiver adapter for cars. But now I'm gonna show you how you can play music from this guy to this old retro boombox. You need only to plug into the USB. It shows right away Bluetooth. It will show the frequency 107.5 MHz, and when I connect with my smartphone, this thing will transmit through the FM frequency the audio to the boombox radio. Let's do that first. And of course you can change the transmitting frequency holding this button, and when it blinks you can set it. I'm gonna set on 107.0. Press again on the middle button right here, and I'm ready to go. As I said, I can connect with my smartphone or play music from the micro SD card right here. Right now the music is playing, but the radio is turned off. Turning on in 3, 2, 1. Okay, and I'm gonna search on 107.0 megahertz. And here it is. I can change the tracks with the buttons on the adapter. Next, and it's working fine. It's transmitting the audio from the adapter to the radio. Just to prove you that it's working fine, I'm gonna remove. Bluetooth.
SD card mode.
SD card mode. And it's starting right away. Pause. Play. And it's working fine. Okay, here it is, my smartphone. Whoa.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Connected.
Connected. So fast. And it's working. From my smartphone, sending the audio to the adapter, and the adapter is transmitting through the FM frequency to the radio boombox. Good. Just to add little bits volume. Okay. Whoa. That was all for today's video presentation of this smart Bluetooth adapter that you can get cheap from Aliexpress, $2. I will put a link in description below so you can check it. And it's working very good. Look, disconnected, connecting,
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode,
Connected.
connected, hitting play. That's it. I hope you enjoyed. See ya.